So in this application, this customer had the single water nozzle or water faucet here. And what we've done is we cut his supply line and installed our piling plumbing kit to install the Flushmaster. Couple features to announce on the piling kit. You have a 3/4 inch quarter turn nozzle or outlet valve, and you also have a shutoff valve. The shutoff valve is here on the supply side of the Flushmaster. So in the event that this customer wants to take the boat over to the Bahamas or go traveling somewhere with it, he can unscrew the Flushmaster from the bottom of the pipe and take it with him portably and still have use of his water hose on the dock. So now that this customer's got the Flushmaster installed and hard plumbed to his dock, once he comes in and puts the boat up on the lift, it's simply reaching over, grabbing the hoses, and with one hand operation, no more screwing around trying to find that thing. So once you have the Flushmaster Quick Connects connected to the engines, it's simply turn the unit on and press start. The Flushmaster will flush each engine in sequence one at a time for the amount of time you have prescribed for the unit to use. Once each engine's been cycled through and flushed adequately, the system shuts off. It's a 140 PSI shutoff valve, so you don't have to come back to the boat to unplug these things when it's done. Simply start, and that task is done. What we've done is we've taken the single outlet nozzle off of his existing plumbing, installed our plumbing kit, installed the Flushmaster with the Flushport Quick Connects. So now when this customer comes back to the dock after a day of use or even just a afternoon cruise with his family, he doesn't have to wash the entire boat, but he's got to flush the engines. Now he can just simply reach over to the side of the boat, grab the hoses, one hand connection to each of the motors with the Flushport Quick Connects, press on and start. That task is now complete. He can think about every other thing that he's got to do to get the boat done and ready to be put up.